Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change language in Meta Ads Manager. So in order to change the language in Meta Ads Manager, what you have to do is open facebook.com. Yes, you have to open facebook.com and log in with your same account, and then click on that drop down menu or click on your profile icon at the top right corner and click on settings and privacy. And then you will see a button called or an option called language. Click on language. Now click on the language button and you will see all of the languages. For instance, if you want to change your language to any language, for instance, I will type in my language and then page will automatically be refreshed and you'll be able to see the language has been changed to another language. Now, if I go to Meta Ads Manager again, and if I refresh the page, you'll be able to see now the language on the Meta Ads Manager has been changed as well. So that's basically how you can change language in Meta Ads Manager. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.